kapag ikaw ay taga BOC, personnel ka namin, definitely bawal ka ng maging broker mismo.
Oh.
I will dismiss people, I will file cases. Wow.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganun po. And then another reform that we have already instituted, although work in progress, kapag ikaw ay taga BOC, personnel ka namin, definitely bawal ka ng maging broker mismo.
Oh.
I will dismiss people, I will file cases.
There are a lot of,
Meron
those.
po eh. Meron po. We require them to formally make a manifestation, a certificate, na aaminin nila kung ang kanilang kamag-anak o sila mismo dati ay meron silang interest o participation sa brokerage. And then, yung mga wala naman, mas mabuti po. So, I already received 100% of certifications from all our people. Then, yun na yung basis namin. Ngayon, ganito naman po yun. Yung mga umamin na meron silang business interest before or yung mga kamag-anak nila tuloy-tuloy pa, hindi naman bawal yon. Around 138 yung mga nag-manifest out of more than 5,000 personnel, merong interest sa brokerage. Yun ang babantayin namin.